Bună ziua, bine ați venit la o oră de matematică, o lecție pentru clasa a 7-a din acest manual. Lecția noastră se află în aceste două pagini. Pentru cine are manualul, paginile sunt 24 și 25, iar cine nu are acest manual este rugat să facă o captură de ecran. Have you got any homework? For each question, choose the correct answer. You will not hear anything. So exercise number 1, I shall read all the 3 answers. What time did Amelia arrive at school? A. 7:45, B. 8:15, C. 8:30. Number 2. Which subject did Amelia have first? A. Physics, B. Maths, C. Biology. Number 3. Jamie thinks his new timetable, A, has more difficult lessons than last year. B, looks more interesting than last year. C, is easier to remember than last year. Number 4. What did Amelia enjoy most about her day? A, being in a different classroom. B, meeting new people. C, seeing her friends. Number 5. What did Jamie forget to take with him? A, his lunch. B, his football boots. C, his school bag. Look careful at each question to see what kind of information you are listening for. Exam advice. Vocabulary, classroom, objects. Exercise 1. Write the correct word for each sentence. Number 1. Your teacher might give you this to check you understand your lessons. Test. Number 2. You can use this to help you draw a straight line. Ruler. You can write things in this that you want to remember. Notebook. Number 4. You can check how to spell a word in this. Dictionary. Excuse me. Number 5. You can use this to draw pictures. Pencil. Number 6. You look at this to find out which lesson you have every day. Timetable. Number 7. You go here when you want to find a book to read. Library. Number 8. You might wear this when you go to school. Uniform. Exercise number 2. Education verbs. Complete the sentences with the correct form of a verb from the box. When I'm older, I'd like to teach English in a school. This was the sentence number 1. Number 2. If I don't do well in my exam, I can fail it again. No, I can pass it again next month. If I don't do well in my exam, I can pass it again next month. Number 3. The best way to learn new words is to use them in sentences. Number 4. Sarah is always happy when she takes her exams. Number 5. My friend Sam wants to study science at the university. Number 6, I feel sad when I fail a test at school, but it doesn't happen very often. Now, page 25, this one. Reading part 2. Each answer will come from only one section of the text, so read the questions and sections carefully. There may be informations in other sections that is similar to the answer. I love maths. Mandy. Maths, it's much easier for me now than other subjects like languages, but I found it hard when I started. My older sister isn't keen on maths, so my parents are pleased that I like it so much. Mr. James is my maths teacher. We all talk about maths problems together in class, and he explains things clearly, and he's really funny too. So that's why we all like this subject. Charlotte. I thought maths was quite easy when I had my first class, and I loved trying to find the answers. I studied at school with a really friendly group of girls in my class, and we help each other and talk about our homework. Mrs. Sams, my teacher, sometimes says we are too noisy, but she knows we are working hard. I love science too, and I understood it much better now because my maths has improved. Tina. My dad teaches maths at a college, so he'd pleased I like it now. He says when I'm older I could study in his classes. So I'm thinking about that. Maths will help me to study a science at a high level too. But for now, I'm just happy when I can do things like help my grandma count her money when we are shopping. My maths teacher is nice, but I don't know many people in my class. That means I work hard and don't chat. Exercise number 1. For each question, choose the correct answer. Number 1. Who enjoys maths because of her teacher? Mandy. Number 2. Who likes using maths outside school? Tina. Number 3. Who thinks learning maths has helped her with another school subject? Also Tina. Number 4. Who has someone in her family that doesn't like maths? Mandy. Number 5. Who might study maths after she leaves school? Tina. Number 6. Who likes the other people in her maths class? Charlotte. Number 7. Who doesn't talk much in her maths class? Tina. Grammar, have to. Exercise 1. Read what Matt says about his hobby and complete the sentences with the correct form of the verb have to. My name's Matt and my favorite hobby is drawing. We usually have to draw in art classes at school, and I also go to an after-school drawing club with my friend. We don't have to take any paper or pencils because our teacher brings them, but she says we have to go with some ideas about what to draw. Jake's great at art, so he doesn't have to ask the teacher for help. But sometimes my pictures aren't very good, so the teacher has to give me some advice. She has to tell us what to do very often though. At the end of each term, everyone has to choose their best picture and put it on the school website for other students to look at. I hope they like mine this year. Mulțumesc pentru participare. Dacă v-a plăcut lecția, lăsați, vă rog, un like. Și pentru că acest canal de YouTube este gratuit, știți că îl pot menține în continuare gratuit doar dacă am un număr foarte mare de abonați. Așa că vă rog să vă abonați și să spuneți și cunoștințelor voastre despre aceste cursuri, despre acest canal. La revedere!